Donald Trump said that 2024 is going to be a big year, and we are getting close to something huge happening. It has to all come out in one go. Dominoes, one by one. The house of cards is falling. They all crumble down. Drip, 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 flood, red, white. It's all going to be in one go. This has been a story in the making for a long time, preparing us, educating us, allowing us to see the darkness at its entirety. We're going to hear about all the names on this Epstein list, and everyone's going on this Epstein and all the island and stuff. The names on that list are going to link to many of the other names, and one name leads to another, one domino to another. So you're going to have Obama, then you're going to have Hillary Clinton, then you're going to have the Bidens, then it's going to go down to Pelosi's, then it'll go into Congress, then it'll go to Senate, then it'll be the governors and all the corrupt politicians in DC. There's one element there. Then you're going to see all the election fraud and foreign interference. And all the people that are being involved with that will be a number of the people that I just mentioned then, plus all their little foot soldiers. Then you're going to start seeing all the evil stuff. And we're seeing Sound of Freedom and Tim Ballard, that character's being used to drain out these people that do money laundering and con the masses from horrible crimes like that and make loads of money. The Nazarene Fund, Glenn Beck, they're all going to be exposed. And then it's going to trickle down. So just know that all the things that we've been shown, all the things that we've learned over this time, it has been educational for us. We've now seen the darkness. And it's all going to come into the light, and that's the awareness of the masses. The Great Awakening goes at every level of corruption, which is in every part of society, on the digital battleground and also in this physical space, the world that we have lived. If you look at the news, and especially if you're from the UK and go on the BBC website, all of the news articles are posting about other countries preparing us for something, a war event, a scare event. And in that corruption, we're going to start seeing how that links to things like big tech, big pharma, government, mainstream media. Oh, it's Obama again, and oh, it's all the government officials again. Oh, there's election fraud in other countries. It's a spiral, it's a snake, it's a system. The old guard is no longer. The Great Awakening is here.